We are at the media center of Islamabad Talks, and I'm very lucky to have Nadia Bilbisi from Al Arabia. Thank you very much for giving us time. Just tell us your impressions so far about Pakistan. I've been seeing you. You are here since morning. What are your impressions so far?
Well, thank you for having me. I'm very impressed by everything I have seen. It's my first trip to Pakistan in general and to Islamabad. People are extremely respectable and nice. The organizers are trying to make journalists feel very comfortable. They providing us with everything that we needed. And the city is very green, which has surprised me. I didn't expect it to be like this, actually. Hopefully, this omen will give Pakistan a launching pad to play a bigger role in the future, because mediating on that level is very important and it's very prestigious for a country like Pakistan.
What are your thoughts about these importance of these peace talks happening in Pakistan right now?
Well, I mean, the gap between the American delegation and the Iranians are big, for sure. We know that both looking for an exit strategy, and therefore it depends on the trust. So if they really trust, and this is why the president decided to send J.D. Vance, because the Iranian wanted him to be on that senior level. He has a gravitas, obviously, the first time ever since the Islamic Revolution 1979 that you have that level of American representation with an Iranian delegation, regardless if they meet face to face or not. But I think there's lots of the devil's in the details, and we don't know which way it's going to go.
Okay. How do you see Pakistan's role in these peace talks?
Well, Pakistan will emerge as a kingpin, actually. It's very important because they have good relationship with the Iranians. They look after Iranian interests in the United States since the closure of the embassy, and they have very good relationship with the U.S. The President Trump had twice lunch with the chief of the army, with General Asim Munir. He also had very good relationship with the Prime Minister, Shahbaz Sharif. He came to DC. He's supporting the Border Peace Initiative by President Trump. So when you have good relationship with both, so Pakistan is almost playing the role of Switzerland.
And it's a very important question. How do you think our Saudi brothers are looking at these talks?
They're looking at it and hoping that it will achieve results that will make sure that Iran does not pose a threat to the Gulf. We have seen the Iranians using ballistic missiles against Saudi Arabia, against United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, Jordan, and they were hitting civilian targets. So this is something that won't be acceptable to any country in the region. So they hope that whatever the results are, that they will bring security and serious security to the region, because every step has a huge implication on the economy in the region, on the world economy, on the price of oil, etc. So they really have an investment, and we have the Saudi finance minister, who's also here, Mr. Jadian. So, and the Saudi and Pakistan have very close relationship. So it's all together. I think it will help to have a regional perspective into the region.
How big was the role of defense pact between Pakistan and Saudi during this crisis?
It's very important because, you have any country, regardless of how good is relationship with the United States, they have to diverse. They have to look at different countries that they will have, they can rely on, they can have exchange of, training, etc. And Pakistan is a natural ally for Saudi Arabia. So I think it played an important role.
Okay, last question. This is your first visit to Pakistan. Anything you want to share about Pakistan, food, culture, people, arrangements, anything?
I tell you, I'm pleasantly surprised about everything I've seen. I haven't seen much so far. I wish I'm staying longer to go to visit every city. But so far, I love the food because, as I'm Palestinian origin, so we eat hot food. So the food is incredible. And the hospitality, I think the most important thing in any country. It can be the most beautiful, but if you have people who are not really nice to foreigners. It can cause some kind of bad negative impression. But Pakistani people, honestly, I'm not saying that because I am here, but what I have seen, they are extremely generous, very nice, and especially nice to me when they ask me where I'm from, and I said I'm originally Palestinian. So the welcome is double.
Thank you very much for your time.
You're most welcome.